Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, mastering your finances is essential for achieving financial success and security. One of the foundational pillars of financial management is budgeting. In this article, we'll explore some effective budgeting techniques that can help you take control of your finances and work towards your financial goals. Track your expenses. The first step towards effective budgeting is to track your expenses. Keep a record of all your spending, including fixed expenses like rent and utilities, as well as variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going each month. Create a budget. Once you have an understanding of your expenses, create a budget that allocates your income towards different categories such as housing, transportation, food, savings, and entertainment. Be realistic with your budget and make sure it aligns with your financial goals. Use the 50-30-20 rule. A popular budgeting rule is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. This rule provides a simple framework for balancing your spending and saving priorities. Embrace cash envelope system. Consider using the cash envelope system for discretionary spending categories like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Allocate a certain amount of cash to each category every month and only spend what's in the envelope. This helps you stick to your budget and avoid overspending. Set smart financial goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART financial goals to give your budgeting efforts direction and purpose. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals will motivate you to stick to your budget. Conclusion. Effective budgeting is the cornerstone of financial stability and success. By tracking your expenses, creating a budget, using budgeting rules like the 50-30-20 rule, embracing the cash envelope system, and setting smart financial goals, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future.